One of the breeders there, Jonathan Crump, is a fantastic cheese producer, producing single and double Gloucester cheese. Then other breeders will specialise in suckling the calves and producing beef. And many of the rare breeds became rare because they were dual purpose. And then we split our cattle animals into out-and-out dairy cattle and beef cattle. And some of these old-fashioned dual purpose breeds fell by the wayside. But Gloucester beef is absolutely delicious and second to none, as is single and double Gloucester cheese.
And then carried on the dual-purpose theme, Adam, the red coal comes. They're from the eastern counties, and they're a dual-purpose breed, very much so.
Indeed, yes, a beautiful red cow.
Rare breed
a lot of the breeds around the coastland of the UK are red. So you've got the red Devons, you've got the South Devons, you've got the red Poles, the Sussex, and many of those breeds are this beautiful red colour. And a small in stature cow and a beautiful productive animal that can convert rough quality forage into great quality meat and milk. And just wandering around the show ring like an absolute picture.
What I'm going to do before I forget, Adam, thank you to Breedon School for supplying the board carriers. So they're a local school, it's got their own farm. They've got South Devon, you just mentioned them. And they're sorting out all these name boards. And it says on the next one, traditional Hereford.
Now you're the man to tell us all about those.
Well, I wasn't there at the beginning of it all, Adam, but about 300 years ago, the Tompkins family around Cannon Pine, they were putting together a type of cattle that became known as the Hereford. And I tell you what, a chap you might have met, Adam, Nick Ewer, he's a descendant of a family that set that white head on them. The well-known television star, his family, well, his father and grandfather were vets. And he couldn't understand why there were pictures of Herefords in their farmhouse kitchen. Well,
ये जितने भी विनर हुए ना, जितने भी एनिमल के कंपटीशन के, ये सारे विनर इधर परेड कर रहे हैं और उनके मालिक उनके साथ हैं. आप देखेंगे कि बच्चे भी उनके साथ हैं. यानी कि वालिदैन अपने बच्चों के साथ एक टीम की तरह काम कर रहे हैं. ये सारे जितने भी एनिमल आप इस परेड में देखेंगे ना, ये सारे विनर हैं.
These are the descendants of the work that was done back then, and they've got great ability. They're docile, they're great converters of grass into protein that humans can eat. And we've got a great display of them here today. And I'm very proud that champion heifer comes from a family descended from our own herd.
Fantastic. And of course the Hereford gone all over the world, into Australia and New Zealand, and of course all over the Americas, because they can cope with, you know, high temperatures and low temperatures, and fantastic crossing animal, but also purebred. Wonderful animals.
What do you think of belted Galloways, Adam?
I absolutely adore belted Galloways, and we've got a lovely show of them here today, because we've got the three colours, the black with the belt, the dun, and then the red. And they're an incredibly hardy animal with a thick coat that can cope with harsh conditions, live outdoors, live off rough pasture. Really beautiful looking animal. Produce fantastic beef.
जो रेयर ब्रीड है उनका नाम लिखा हुआ है
because of those belts.
And I know a herd in the Team Valley that's as green as grass. And they look fantastic too, and it's a great credit to the modern breeders. And we've got another family background.
इस ब्रीड को जो विन किया ना, वो पूरी दुनिया में फार्मिंग इंडस्ट्री वाले इनके साथ कांटेक्ट करेंगे और ये ज़्यादातर ये जाएंगी न्यूजीलैंड, ऑस्ट्रेलिया और अमेरिका में.
And again producing fantastic beef. In fact, let's go and talk to the Rigget breeder, because one of my weaknesses is knowing what about Rigget. So we're gonna ask you all about them.
Hi, so this is a Rigget Galloway. She's called Haviland Loopy, and they're just very like the rest of the Galloway family, just a bit kind of, it's very basically just a different colour. Other than that, they should be nice double coats, so they stay nice and dry even a lot of rain, poles, so you don't have to do any disbudding, and they just grow on grass, you don't have to.
Like this, as Clive was referring to, these animals need to eat grass, they need to shelter in fields with hedgerows and walls, they need to shelter underneath trees. That's what gives us our landscape, and it is all you, the people who are watching this, who are the consumers, that actually of course mean that we need to continue with this. So on behalf of the Society very much, we thank you very much. I'll hand you back now to our...
अब सारा जिनकी जो पिछले 3 दिन से जितने भी कंपटीशन हुए ना वो सारे जानवर इस ग्राउंड में प्रेजेंट थे। अभी ये आज तीसरा दिन है और ये आज इसका आखिरी दिन है और सारे विनर्स ने इस ग्राउंड में परेड की है और मैंने काफ़ी सारे जानवरों को रिकॉर्ड भी किया है और अभी सारे जा रहे हैं। मेनली मकसद ये है, वो बता रहा है कमेंट्री में कि यहाँ मीट के पालने वाले भी, जानवरों के पालने वाले भी हैं और जानवरों के खाने वाले भी हैं। तो ये जो डायरेक्ट जो लिंक है ना बिटवीन द ईटर ऑफ द मीट एंड द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द मीट, ये जो गैप है ना उसको इस फेयर के जरिए इन्होंने ब्रिज कर दिया। अभी जो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं कहूँगा जी मैंने फलां और फलां मीट खाना है, ये ब्रीड का गोश्त अगर मिल सकता है, तो फिर अगर मार्केट में कस्टमर डिमांड करेगा कि मुझे इस नस्ल का मीट चाहिए, बीफ चाहिए, छोटा गोश्त चाहिए, तो फिर जाहिर है कि दुकानदार को वो ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा। तो दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द ब्रीडर्स। इसी वजह से वो मजीद और मजीद ब्रीड्स तैयार कर रहे हैं, हर साल नई ब्रीड्स लेके आ रहे हैं। अभी मैं सुन रहा था कुछ ऐसी ब्रीड हैं जो कम ग्रास खाते हैं, घास वाले एरिया के लिए, कुछ ऐसी ब्रीड्स हैं जो ज्यादा, जहाँ ज्यादा घास होता है उस एरिया के लिए। तो ये और कुछ ऐसी ब्रीड हैं जो कम फूड पे ज्यादा गोश्त करती हैं और कम फूड पे ज्यादा दूध देती हैं। ये देखें वेयर आर दे गोइंग और इट इज नेवर एंडिंग, इट इज नेवर एंडिंग। दे आर कीप रिसर्चिंग एंड कीप डेवलपिंग नॉट ओनली देयर लाइफ स्टॉक, इंजीनियरिंग, वट एवर यू थिंक ऑफ। दीज पीपल आर वेरी वेरी इंटेलिजेंट। थैंक यू वेरी मच।